4 is HP Smart Tank 7602 cartridge-free ink printer. Printing designs that make a statement on your shirts is a breeze with the HP Smart Tank 7602 cartridge-free ink printer. Designed with small businesses in mind, this printer is ideal for high-volume color printing, making it ideal for creating custom shirts that pop. With its impressive features, you can print, copy, scan, and fax and take advantage of automatic two-sided printing, a 35-page automatic document feeder, and borderless prints. Plus, you can easily complete everyday tasks with the Magic Touch panel, which offers app-like, intuitive navigation. This printer is fully loaded with savings, making it perfect for small businesses looking to keep costs low. With up to 2 years of original HP ink bottles included, you can get up to 8,000 color pages or 6,000 black pages right out of the box. And with exceptional HP quality, you can consistently deliver outstanding color graphics, photos, and crisp text for all your prints. Whether you're creating custom shirts for your small business, a special event, or just for fun, the HP Smart Tank 7602 cartridge-free ink printer is the perfect tool for the job. With its high-quality printing capabilities, ease of use, and cost-saving features, it's sure to become a valuable addition to your business. If you want to purchase this printer right now, then check out the link in the description box below. Number 5.